Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nickayaa, and for today's video I'm going to be talking about my first day of nursing school slash sort of my first week. So if you're interested in tuning in, stay tuned. Yeah, I started school on January 18th. Today is the 21st, and I have a 3-day week. So my school days are pretty stacked. Mondays I start 11 and finish at 8. Tuesday I just have skills lab, so it's just one class. And then my Wednesday I'm there from 8 a.m. until 5. And because I have back-to-back classes, I'm able to have Thursdays and Fridays off. So yeah, I guess I can just use that time to study and also work as well, so that I can still bring in some coin or whatever, bring in some money. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I got my textbooks today and my nursing kit, so let me just grab that. One of my textbooks, I actually ordered it from Amazon, so it came right away. I have Amazon Prime. So it's this one. It's called Principles of Anatomy and Physiology. So I use this for my A&P class, of course. But it's a loose leaf copy, so it needs to go in a binder, just because once I open this up, it's a bunch of pages. So I have to be pretty careful. Okay. So this is my box. It's so dirty, oh my god. But this has my books for my classes and my nursing kit, so I'm just gonna open it up. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to see what's in my nursing kit. Who packaged this? Yeah, let me just use the scissors. He does know. Oh my god. Could not have been the school that shipped this. I think it was. Okay. Finally got it. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So the first thing is, I think it's my nursing kit. So it says personal protective equipment kit, bowel elimination kit, medication kit, safety goggles. Okay, so this is just listing what's inside. Urinary care kit, it says wound care kit, and transport tape. So it's a few more things. I'm gonna need this. My first lab is on next Tuesday. I forget what date that is, but I'll just put it in, and hopefully I'll get some filming done. I don't really know if I'm allowed to record the lab, but I'll get what I can, of course. So this is my lab kit. And then next I have Indigenous rights. So this is for my Indigenous class, because I live in Canada. So if you're someone who lives in Canada, this is something you're definitely gonna have to learn about in nursing. So it's just like this. Then I have, this is so heavy. How is this? Oh my god. Look at the width. Ow! My hand is shaking holding it on one hand. Oh my gosh. This is Canadian Fundamental of Nursing. I don't even know what class this is for, to be honest. I can't even think. I think it's for math. It's 2 books. So there's something underneath. Yeah, it says calculate with confidence. So I'm pretty sure this is for math. They are tripping. But, you know. So those are the books I got. My family is really excited about me starting my nursing journey. So my cousin got me this cute little stethoscope. It's super cute. My very first one. How cute is it? I used it today because I just wanted to hear how my heart sounded. I'm sorry. I used it today. But yeah. And that's pretty much all I have so far for my nursing stuff. Of course, I have my little study books and things like that. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my unboxing. I also got some footage from my first day, so I'll just run those clips now. Good morning. It is 9 a.m. Monday, January 18th, my first day of nursing school. Yeah, I just woke up, so I look pretty gross, so I'm just gonna do my little morning face wash and stuff like that, do my hair and get ready. I start class today at 11 and I'm really excited. I got some emails from my prof. I have 4 classes today, but yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and then we'll talk about it a little bit more later on. Okay guys, so I just added a bit of curls to my hair. Not even any curls, just some like waves to the ends. I didn't do much, and this is what I'm wearing today. Super cute. I got it for Christmas. I love it so much. But I literally start class in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go and set up my little work area and get started.
Did psychology for a while. I was doing a lot of criminal psychology, psychopathic minds, and then I decided that I wanted to go back into nursing.
Welcome. Okay, so Nickayaa, I think we missed you. So there you go, Nickayaa.
Hi,
Tell
yes.
us
It's Nickayaa.
something about yourself. It's what?
Nickayaa.
Nickayaa. Okay, sorry about that. Nickayaa. Nickayaa.
Okay, hi. Yeah, my name is Nickayaa. I'm 21 years old, and this is my first time studying practical nursing. I've always known that I wanted to get into this, but I just needed some time to upgrade some high school marks because I wasn't very focused. But now I'm ready to dive in and get started on my future. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Welcome, Nickayaa.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well. Okay, so I just finished my very first day of nursing school. It went pretty well. I had my 4 classes. I had anatomy and physiology. So for day 1, I started at 11 and I had my A&P class. My teacher is super sweet and down to earth for that. That was a pretty good class. Of course, it's just the first week, so we've just done intro, sort of, introducing ourselves because it's all virtual. Learning online is not my learning style, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna give it my all and hopefully it all works out. My week has been pretty smooth so far. I met all of my teachers and I'm really excited for what the year has to bring. Everyone in my classes seem pretty sweet because it is virtual, you know. I think we're trying to connect a bit more, like as much as we can. So we've done a lot of introduction assignments. What I mean by that is like we have a discussion page and we sort of talk about list some things about yourself and then you have to reply to the thread that someone has made. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. I think that's pretty much it for my talking. Thanks so much for tuning into my video, guys. I hope to see you in my next one. It will be posted on this date. But yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!